Most women are tying their wrap skirts the wrong way, and it's making them look wider, not slimmer. But with one simple adjustment, you can instantly look taller, slimmer, and effortlessly elegant. Before we get into the flattering styles, let's fix a few common mistakes, because these small details can make even an expensive outfit look cheap. Mistake number 1. Tying your wrap skirt too low on the hips. This makes your body look wider and less defined. Mistake number 2. Bulky knots. Thick knots add volume right where you don't want it. And mistake number 3. Stiff or cheap fabric. If the fabric doesn't flow, the outfit won't look elegant.
The first and most flattering method is the high waist wrap. Instead of tying your skirt at your hips, bring it slightly above your natural waist. This instantly defines your waistline, smooths the midsection, and creates a more balanced, elegant silhouette. If you want to look slimmer without trying too hard, this is the style you should always come back to. It works beautifully for everyday wear, lunch outings, or even vacation looks. The next method is the side knot, and this one is incredibly flattering. Instead of tying the knot in the center, move it slightly to the side. This creates a diagonal line across your body, which visually slims your waist and midsection. It also feels softer, more relaxed, and very feminine. If you want that effortless, elegant look, this is a beautiful option.
Now, let's talk about the front knot, because this one can either look very polished or very bulky. The key is to keep the knot small, neat, and well positioned. Instead of letting the fabric bunch up, smooth it out as you tie. This creates a clean, structured look that feels intentional and refined. If you love a more put-together style, this is perfect for you. It's simple, but very powerful when done right.
Now this final method is for a more polished and refined look. Instead of tying your wrap skirt to the side, bring both ends to the front and keep everything neat and flat. Gently fold one side over the other and secure it with a small knot or tuck it in. Avoid anything bulky. Then smooth out the front to create a clean, structured finish. This simple adjustment creates a vertical line that makes you look taller, slimmer, and more elegant. It's minimal, but it gives that effortless, expensive look.